In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage payroll using QuickBooks Online. Whether you're a small business owner or a payroll administrator, handling payroll smoothly and efficiently is essential. So let's dive into it. To start off, you'll want to navigate over to QuickBooks by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the URL or simply searching for QuickBooks Online. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to log in using your credentials. This will take you directly to your dashboard, which gives you a great overview of your company's financials. On the main navigation bar, you'll find a tab labeled Employees. This is the central hub for all employee-related information, including payroll. Go ahead and click on Employees. Doing this brings up a list of all the employees that have been added to your system. It's really helpful because you can see active, inactive, and all sorts of statuses. Here is also where you'd manage any new hires, terminations, and update employee details as needed. Once you're in the Employees section, the next action would be running payroll. To do this, look for the option that says Run Payroll and click on it. QuickBooks makes it straightforward by giving you two options. First, the automatic payroll for employees that have fixed salaries, and second, customizable payrolls for those who might have worked extra hours or earned overtime. When you click Run Payroll, you'll be led to a screen where you can input specific details. Double-check each employee's time worked, any deductions, bonuses, or other pay aspects that need attention. It's really important to make sure all this information is accurate before proceeding to ensure your payroll is correct. Once you've reviewed and confirmed all the payroll details, you can submit for payment. QuickBooks offers various ways employees can be paid, such as direct deposit or via printed checks. So, chooses what best fits your and your employees' needs. After submitting the payroll, you'll get a confirmation message showing the total amount that will be debited from your account, along with the necessary payroll taxes. It's vital to save or print this confirmation as proof for record keeping and future audits. There you have it. You've now successfully navigated through the steps to pay your employees using QuickBooks. This process not only saves time, but also often reduces errors, thus making the stressful task of managing payroll much more manageable. Be sure to explore other features that QuickBooks offers relating to employee management and payroll processing. Doing so can really enhance your efficiency even further. Thank you for watching this step-by-step guide. If this video was helpful to you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content that helps you master your accounting tasks.